Today, I'm at Bellevue site to review the construction progress. The construction site has been prepared with fencing, clearing the land, creating access paths, and arranging storage areas for materials and equipment, and setting up site offices. The first phase of excavation is complete and piling has begun. Excavation has been completed to about 3 meters to reach the level needed for piling and placed machinery. To strengthen the ground and increase its load capacity, dense piling has been carried out. About 591 piles were installed in 51 days, showing the team's fast and efficient work in preparing the project base. The static load test of the piles have been done with very good result, and it shows that the piles are working properly and strong. Shoring is being carried out to stabilize the trench along the street. Soldier beams and wooden planks are installed to prevent soil collapse and wall instability. Dewatering is in progress to control the underground water level and keep the excavation area safe and dry. And the second phase of excavation is underway to reach the required depth for the foundation works. Contact us to reserve your desired unit in this unique location.